Alright, listen up. I'm going to share with you a secret. You want to build games that everyone talks about. You want to make amazing maps. But right now, you're stuck. Maybe you've opened Studio, tossed in a few free models, and felt lost when everything doesn't look how you want it. Look, I've been there too, but I'm telling you, if you're watching this video, you've found the exact resource you need to change that. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal a tip that most pro builders won't tell you. And trust me, this tip alone will instantly give you an edge over 90% of builders out there. First things first, I'm going to share with you the basics of Studio Mastery. Let me take you back. When I started to develop on Roblox, it was 2015, and I wasted hours as an 8-year-old fumbling around in Roblox Studio. And I was a complete noob for way too long. But here's what I'm going to tell you. You don't need to go through that pain and that wasted time. Focus on the tools that matter. Learn these. Select, move, scale, rotate, snap to grid. Learn to place parts. Learn to put them together into structures. I just told you, get these basics down first, and you will cut your learning curve in half. And I'm telling you, once you master these tools, you're going to save hours of frustration. If you want to watch a quick guide that can help you to get the basics down very fast, open the video in the top right-hand corner in a new tab. Level up with plugins. Think of plugins like cheat codes, hidden secrets that only top builders know about. I'm going to share with you my top 3 plugins right now. Number 1, F3X. This plugin offers a whole new set of building tools, and I actually don't use this. I use F3X to scale parts all in the same direction. See, when you're scaling with the normal studio draggers, everything scales outward. But when you use F3X, everything will scale in the same direction that you drag. Cool, right? It's very useful, especially when you're making buildings and things of that nature. Plugin 2, Archimedes. Archimedes lets you instantly create curved structures in your games. You can click one button and bam, you can create sidewalks, arches on buildings, and beautiful curved staircases. Plugin 3, Resize Align. Resize Align lets you align parts together and fix issues that you're gonna run into constantly in your builds. So all of the plugins I just told you about are game changers. And I'm telling you, these will streamline your workflow so you spend more time creating and less time stuck. But I'm not stopping there. I'm going to reveal even more advanced plugins in future videos. So stick around and subscribe now to Smarty RBX, and I'll see you there. 3, I'm going to tell you something interesting. I remember when I really started to take Roblox building seriously, I didn't know the trick that I'm about to tell you. Use real world references. Stop trying to make up everything off the top of your head. Trust me, it's not making you more creative, it's making you worse of a builder. You need to go to Google and break down real life objects into simple shapes and replicate them in Studio. And you know what? The minute I started to do this, I started to improve my builds. And this is when I started to get a ton more commissions as a builder. It was one of many tricks I'm going to share with you in this video that helped me to earn over 1 million Robux from commissions and begin to make some amazing games. Now, I just told you how important this secret is. So, start doing it now. Use Google, use AI references, use any place you can to find real-world images and use them to create better builds. Inspire from them, even copy them. And guess what? You can use this in any style. You can convert a real building from real life into a low poly build in Roblox. In fact, that's one of the best ways to do it. You can use this with realistic builds, low poly builds, and medium poly builds. No matter what, if you've paid attention and you start to use this tip, you will gain more versatility and make yourself very hireable in the Roblox marketplace. Now, tip 4, the Blender secret. Hold up, don't skip this part. I'm going to tell you why learning Blender is going to change everything for you. Imagine creating assets that look so good. People ask, how did you even do that in Roblox? How is that even made in Roblox Studio? That is the power of Blender. Imagine having your friends ask you if what you just created is even Roblox. You can make that happen. Learn the basics, and you will instantly see your possibilities expand as a builder. And I'm telling you, the best tip you can get as a builder is not anything related to Roblox Studio. In my view, it's to learn Blender. You can open the link in the top right-hand corner to learn Blender from my guide fast. And there's tons of tutorials on YouTube you can use to learn how to make anything in any style. You can make bushes, trees, rocks, cars, buildings, and anything you can imagine in Blender. If you want to become a better Roblox builder, the best thing you can do is learn Blender. Seriously, it's an incredible skill to learn. Now, number 5, common mistakes and how to avoid them. Now, let's go over some common mistakes. Bad lighting is like a bad haircut, and I see it everywhere with a lot of builders. You might not notice it yourself, but everyone else does. Trust me. Adjust your lighting, from the brightness to adding color correction effects under your lighting. Change properties in your lighting. Next mistake, making your build all blocky. If you aren't trying to go for that classic Roblox style, always use different scaling increments to avoid that blocky look. Using 1 stud increments is going to make your builds look really blocky and not very detailed. And if that isn't the style that you're aiming for with your build, stop it. Start using different scaling increments. Simply go to the Model tab in Roblox Studio and uncheck the Snap to Grid option for Move. It will change how you build forever. Now, I know you've heard me say this before, but if you're watching this, you already care about your builds looking pro. So fix these mistakes and watch your builds transform. Now I'm going to share with you the advanced strategies. First, build a variety of things. Stop building one thing. Start branching out, and always keep expanding your horizons in Roblox building. If you're a low poly builder right now, try building in medium poly, or try building in the classic Roblox style, or even try making realistic builds. You never know what could happen to your skill set once you try a new style. Second, copy techniques from the best builders, but always make them your own. Look at the top builders on Roblox, look on X, and study their techniques. Don't just look at the big picture, look at the fine details. And if you do this, you'll start to notice small techniques that they do to make such incredible builds. Remember, top builders have gotten to their skill level through lots of time, effort, and relentless dedication. And that means they don't just make incredible builds with the snap of their fingers. They make incredible builds through dozens of tiny techniques that they found over time that eventually added up into the style they have right now. So pick it apart, look in the details, and you'll find the gold strategies they're using to make their builds so good. It might be the way that they place things. Maybe they rotate things slightly and make them look more varied. Or it could be the way that they use lighting in their maps. Maybe you'll see that they use a Blender texture instead of a Studio texture. When you look in the details, you'll find the secrets. Third, put yourself out there. If you share what you create on X, you'll see that people in the Roblox community will comment and give you feedback. You'll get support as well, and that'll give you motivation on your journey to become the best Roblox builder possible. And you can even start to network with other builders who are on a journey to learn and grow in Roblox development as well. But wait, there's more. Remember that secret I mentioned at the beginning of the video? You've watched this far and we're almost there. All right, here's what I promised you. I'm going to share with you the number 1 tip. Have fun. Enjoy the process. Focus on the journey. Understand this. When you're having fun, you're unstoppable. You'll outlast everyone else because you love what you're doing. The truth is that focusing on your goals, like getting commissions, earning Robux, and becoming famous in the Roblox community for your skills, are all great things to do. But I'm telling you, the journey is the most fulfilling thing. I've found that every time I reach a goal, I am excited for a moment, and then that excitement drops. The true enjoyment I get is always as I'm doing the work, as I'm recording this video, as I'm working in studio, as I'm talking with the people I work with on Roblox games. These are the things that bring me the most joy, and they will for you too. That's how you truly go pro. I'm telling you, the most important thing is enjoying the process. Now, if you watch this video till the end, you're showing me that you have the dedication to become a great Roblox builder. And if you're serious about leveling up even faster, the best move you can make right now is this. Learn Blender now. I'm telling you, watch my Blender guide next. Click it now on screen and I'll see you there.